Hi, and thanks for watching this online demonstration of James Hardie Linea weatherboard. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Linea weatherboard to get the Hamptons look. Okay guys, most importantly, safety first. Always wear your standard PPE, a P1 or P2 dust mask, and work in a well ventilated area. So it's really important to tell people in the immediate area that there may be dust, never cut inside, and always put a dust extraction system connected to your circular saw when cutting. For more details, check out the James Hardie safety data sheet. Now we're going to break down the installation process into 4 easy steps. Okay guys, so step 1 is the Linea starter strip. Make sure your board doesn't go more than 20 to 50 mil past the slab edge. So there's your starter strip, there's your board. You've got a maximum of 50 mil past the slab edge. Remembering that starter strip, you've only got 20 mil. Otherwise you'll push your board out of at the wrong angle. You get that right, the rest is easy. Okay guys, step 2, install the board. So we just use the Pazzo 50 mil galvanized nails. You can go right down to a 40 by 2.8 mil nail as per the spec guide. I've pre-marked all my laser points onto this external corner. So just basically follow my lines, put a fixing. Try not to come down any more than 30 mil, otherwise the next board won't cover it. Make sure your first board is spot on level, and then fix on your stud points. So normally you start from the middle and work your way to the ends with your fixings, but on a wall this size, we're just going to start from the ends. So step 3 is install the next board. So make sure you have your 30 mil cover and you follow your story rod marks on your external corners. The good thing about Linea is it's got a 30 mil cover, so it conceals the fixings from the board below. So when installing the Linea boards, make sure you leave a 2 mil gap from the edges for expansion, and so you've got room to put your James Hardie caulking all the way up the external corners and internal. Final step, so all you have to do is fix all your boards off. As easy as that. Great part about the Linea boards is they give you a tongue and groove joint, so you don't need to join on the stud. You can join wherever you want. Just try and stay at least 100 mil from each stud, so you're not coming too close to it. But as you can see, it gives you a pretty seamless finish. Once that's painted, you don't see any joints. Thanks for watching this online demonstration of how to install the James Hardie Linea weatherboard. For more information, check out the technical manual.